What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Snob Squad, and I'm back again with another video. And in today's video, we are going to be installing Outrage's Perfect Hairline L'Oreal, and I got the Shea 613. This wig is super duper long. I'm not sure the length, but I will have everything in the description box down below. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey. If you want to join the Snob Squad, all you gotta do is click subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, hey, go ahead and leave some kiss marks down below. And as you guys can see, we just hopped right into this video. So this is just me, like I said, installing this unit. I have a ton of videos where I installed a unit, but this one gave me a little bit of trouble. So for instance, I did install it a couple of nights ago, and my first initial install, I did not love it, and you guys are going to see why in a little bit. But I just was not in love with the very first install. As you guys can see right now, I am taking my time and really applying those layers of got to be and blow drying it and all of those good things, and I literally had to reinstall it the next day. But you're going to be able to see everything in the end. I will, like I said, leave everything in the description box down below, where to purchase this unit, all of the products I utilize, etc. But I will just jump in every now and again just to let you guys know what all was going on in the video. So boom, this is the first install, and as you guys can see, I placed the wig way too close to my eyebrows. Like, it's so close. I have no forehead room at whatsoever. I did not pluck it. This is straight out the pack, guys. I did cut the lace and everything like that. I left too much lace. It was so many errors that occurred with me installing this wig the first time, and I was making so many rookie mistakes, but that's because I have not had a 613 unit in a very long time. I think it's been almost like a year since I installed a 613 unit, like all 613, no roots and nothing like that, no baby hairs. So yeah, I think that's the reason why I was a little bit rusty. But like I said, I did fix it. I do wear my units out, so I did have to let it marinate just so that I can see, okay, where did I mess up, where did I go wrong, and what am I going to do to fix that. So initially, like I said, I left off too much lace. I placed the wig a little too far on my forehead, and I'm just going in, y'all, with this unit. I am spraying it. Like I said, we done did 2 layers of got to be, we done blow dry, we done did all the things, and it kind of breaks my heart a little bit watching this back because I didn't want to include these clips, but I did, just to show you guys that there is trial and error with everything, even with someone who's been wearing wigs for a very long time, synthetic wigs at that. It's like you still mess up, and you live when you learn, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna make it look good in the end, guys. We gonna make it look good in the end. But yes, one thing I will say though about this unit, she is very full. She's very thick. I'll say the density is about 150, 175. Like, that's how thick she is.
You try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. 10 bad bitches in a mash. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding.
And them drugs come in handy. Last name Hendrix, bitch, but no, I'm not Jimmy. Held up with no condom, shipped her right back out the country. And I'm sipping codeine, tests all on my stomach.
Hold up. 10 bad bitches in a mash. Rich on Millie, rock them diamonds on me dancing. When you working hard, then your money start expanding. I got model bitches wanna lick me like some candy. And them drugs come in handy. Last name Savage, bitch, but no, I'm not Randy. Hit her with no condom, had to make her eat a Plan B. And I'm sipping on that codeine, not brandy. I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand me.
The next day.
Alright, so boom, y'all, this is the next day. As you guys can see, you can already tell a difference in my forehead. I did already go ahead and push the wig back, put my layers of Got To Be down and sprayed it, and now I just have my band on. You guys seen it's the same process that you just seen previously, so that's why I didn't bother to include it. And also, as soon as I got home, I immediately took this wig off because I'm like, no, I've been running around at work all day with this wig looking like this, and it needs to be fixed immediately. So like I said, you see an immediate difference in my forehead. And yes, guys, I decided to cut her. She's very long, you know what I'm saying? She's platinum blonde, giving Barbie vibes. So I'm like, okay, it's already platinum blonde. I don't need it to be all the way down my back, almost touching my butt. So let's go ahead and chop her up. And boom, instantly fell in love with it. I genuinely fell in love with it as soon as those scissors touched my hair. And now we're just taking this band off, and it's just a whole nother, it's just a whole 180. It looks amazing to me now. I'm just taking my Got To Be spray and my hot comb and just flattening that out. I take a bristle brush first, and then I go in with the hot comb because I don't want it to melt. These are one of the hot combs that you can't see the temperature on there, so I just try to be cautious. I did define my part with my Ruby Kisses makeup. And now I'm just detangling it. Be mindful though, guys, this unit does shed a lot, especially since I cut it. So it did definitely shed really bad even after I cut it. But for the most part, this is the final look. And this was a short video, but thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you guys turn on that post notification bell so you won't miss when I upload. Bye.